Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive or get your money on Splitwise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your email address and your password or by using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the groups page where you will see various expenses and all of your groups. Now, whenever you have a payment that you are supposed to receive, then you will see this detail at the top section of your homepage. You can go to the respective group where this expense is shown, and now you can tap on the Settle Up button in order to settle up the payments. Now, if you have already received the amount that you are owed, then just tap on this balance and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner to confirm that you have received your payment. Once you confirm this, the payment that was just received will be updated on your expense list. And now, once you have received all of your pending funds and verified this as well, within your homepage you will see that you have been settled up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to record the receiving of your money on Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.